집에서 저녁 먹을래? 뭐 하는 거야 이게?
찍는 거야 영상. 너 이렇게 못생겼어. 너 이렇게 못생겼어.
이렇게 좀하네?
Yeah, too many dig themselves a grave and all these things come out to play. I wanna feel you're nothingness, I'm just a figment in your brain. I remember broski told me that nothing is the same, and now we on the road to righteousness through thunder or the rain. I've got numbers on my mind, work's peak, coming home to my cause on my
못생겼냐?
근데 왜 산 거야 이거?
So I can, do like a POV shot of my OnlyFans, like this.
야, 너 그런 거 하지 말고 진짜. 뭐를?
보여? This is gonna go on YouTube, right? I'm gonna feature you on YouTube as like the ugly sister.
야, 너 몇 대 맞으려고 그러냐? Turn the camera off. 야, 좀 때리게.
Oh, there they are now, paying for it. You see, sister's asking me to pay for the bill. What the fuck?
야, 이거는 너 페이크 CEO야. 맨날 돈 잘 번다고 하고 이것도 우리 돈으로 맞은 거잖아.
Oh fuck. They always make me pay for dinner. They always make me pay for everything, and then even the food they want me to pay. What the fuck?
Nothing comes out of your pocket야.
Oh, this is how the rich stay rich.
야,
That's nice. That'd be quite big for my arm. 5:40. I'm back to the office. I want to do some video editing. I want to do some like new tray liners. I am thinking that our sales have gone up and down depending on how we do our promotions and our marketing for many of our products. So I'm thinking of redoing some of our work. Maybe our tray liners, like McDonald's, they have a lot of different tray liners for different products they launch, and we have a lot of launches in the product as well, but we haven't been really actively pushing them or doing a nice promotional content for it. So I'm kind of back to the office. Usually I find peace in the office between like 7 till 10 if I want to do any work, and then if not, like during the day you have a lot of like people asking me, like calling me for help in here and stuff like that. So operational stuff gets really busy during those days. So it's the only good time or only like quiet time that I have is usually the weekends or like after 6 or 7. So everything we do get printed in China, so it takes around like maybe 2 weeks to reach here, 2 to 3 weeks. So everything has to be done in advance so that we can always have promotional stuff. So the advantages of not printing in Singapore, obviously you save a lot of money, like a lot of money, because we print like 10, 50, 30, 100,000 pieces at once, and like in China you can get it for like maybe less than 3 cents, but in Singapore you get like maybe 10 cents. So if you multiply 100,000 pieces times 7 cents, you can get
thunder or the rain. I've got numbers on my mind, work's peak, coming home to my off cause on my line. Never needed more hours, but I'm running out of time. Said I got bigger fish.
So today we are here at the factory to taste some samples for the new noodles that we have. So we are launching a new menu for our outlets, and so our head chef made some recipe for us to try. And also we got a new noodle supplier, so we also want to see how the noodle is like. So this is the new jjampong that we are going to launch.
So as I breathe, feel the stress relief.
네. 짬뽕이 아닌데 이건?
나는 저 소금만 끓인 걸로는 짬뽕 맛이 안 나던데.
그래요?
그냥 고춧가루 그런 맛만 나서.
맛있는 거예요?
See the best in me, never need to therapy. Just get them reading hella books and then defeat their enemies. This is the reason they are free, this is the reason they are wise.
Alright, so now we are heading off to Bukit Merah, one of our outlets for Kimchi Express. The new machine came, so it's supposed to do like open flame, it's supposed to rotate, it's supposed to cook all our meats evenly. And the previous location that we put it, which was like Kopitiam Square, wasn't effective because the fire was too small, because the way it was like gas cylinder and then like some tank and stuff like that. So now we put it into a proper location where this machine was meant to be put into. And so now we are on the way to see if any changes of the machine is made because of the way we do gas piping, and then hopefully the results are something that is similar, because the video that they sent us when they actually gave us the video of the machine was very different from the way that the machine actually ran in that outlet. So yeah, hopefully this machine will be good, and yeah, we will be there now. Alright, so now we are here at Bukit Merah Central, 106 Bukit Merah. We are here to check the machine, and Mia, come here. I think we go through the Oppa side. I want to see the customers there, and then we will see if the machines are working alright, and then maybe get some feedback from the ground, try it out, test it a little bit, taste it, and then see if we can replicate the machine to the other outlets. So every time I come to like my outlets or whatever, I'll always like see my surroundings, see if like anyone is do you think that's Minjini? No. Who's that? That was someone that I know from Oppa. Because we work quite closely together. He supplies me stuff, I supply him stuff. We're quite good friends. So yeah. Anyway, so this is Bukit Merah Central. So this there's a hawker center there, a lot of coffee shops are there as well. I'm in the coffee shop here at 106. It's very good for lunch crowd, but it's like our first real industrial area location, and this is the first time we've done it here. And then so for us, there's a lot of contrast between working in mostly residential areas, and then it's the first industrial. So we kind of use this to see how we can change it. Hello, no, 没问题，没关系。So this is the outlets. Jin Kimchi Express. Sometimes I will come here to do a spot check, check the way they do the sticker pasting. So this is somewhat alright. And then, yeah, okay, that's alright. Okay, here's cold. So yeah, that's the machine that we wanted to try and see. Okay. 你用了吗？ Huh? Then fire 嘞 rule 嘞 What's rule? 火嘞大吗？哇，很大。哦，哎，
上面的
很小嘞，你可以做大吗？
最大，
最大。
对，
这个是很
那你是最大，是这里最大，
小嘞，很小，
很小。
不对吗？
hai đứa làm thế nào?
Okay, the fire. It's like super big compared to the last time. So I'm trying to get it to be warmed up first. See the oil. So usually when the oil becomes more liquid like that, that's when you know it's ready.
Reason they are wise, fighting demons in their eyes, so vividly reflected like a symbolism. Feeding them no lie, no freedom with no fight. There's no freedom with no fight.
So the pork belly off. So the fire is a bit too strong that the inside is not being cooked. So I think we have to maybe use lower.
Yeah, okay, 我们用这个啊，这个一点点小的啊。Yeah, is it just me or is it burning? No, no. So like, how do we prevent it from burning?
Làm sao để không mới cháy?
Đấy, tắt hai này đi. Tắt hai này.
Turn it off. Turn all the fire off.
Okay.
Là cái dưới
So
này.
what? So we're gonna just turn it on, cook, turn it off. Oh, I see.
They said
Cái
that
trên là
every
cái
time
khung.
you cook, then just turn on the fire. Every
Okay.
time no more already, then turn off the fire. Because this one can be very easy burn.
Okay. So as long as we turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, is it? Good, eh?
Good enough.
It's hot.
I think you did just like 15 seconds or 30 seconds, right? Yeah.
Oh. So the setting that we're trying to play around is to turn it maybe 3, and then just maybe 1 fire is enough because the fire is super strong for this one. And then you just have to put it. Okay, maybe Mia, come. So we're like super fast. Ooh, it's turning super fast. Okay, so I'll count from here. We went on 20, so we stopped at around 55. I take this pork belly out. There you are. Okay.
He said that after doing this, you feel a bit sweetness in your mouth, right?
Này cảm giác ăn xong nó vẫn ngọt ở trong mồm này.
Fully cooked lah, right? Let's see.
No, okay.
Chưa chín rồi.
Is that not yet?
Now we're gonna try to do 4, which is kind of fast. And then I'm gonna try to put it at small fire again. No, I'll use this one. This one you go and wash because it's raw. Okay, 20 seconds in. It's hot. Okay, so I think what's the issue is like the pork belly comes out a little charred on the outside, which is good, but the inside is not cooked. So we need to try to change the fire level to be lower and then turn it faster so that it will char slower. So it's been about 20 seconds so far. I don't think I don't have to go and chart it from the top, right? Okay. So it's been just about 40 seconds. Alright. Nice. Turn it off. No, it's not cooked. Not cooked, not cooked. So we're trying this on speed 5. Woo! I put here, right? But it doesn't really reach, right? Yeah, I feel like this just becomes like an additional marketing gimmick.
Oh, this one is burned.
Cái này bởi vì là ở Indo ấy, nó ở trong này nó có cái nước màu đen này.
Because inside already because we do it many times, so there is leftover of all these
Bên trong này nó có cái nước
black
như này.
particles.
Ví dụ là một người là cũng hơi bí ấy.
Okay, but the good thing is I don't have to buy this one anymore. That one sucks. I think this machine there's a lot of MDC ones and maybe the better ones. Maybe if this actually works, it can actually work for us. Oh, I'm pretty surprised.
There's no freedom and no fighting.
Maybe
There's no freedom.
I think the verdict for today is that it's definitely something that is doable. We wanted to get like the one where the fire was coming down from, so only like one supplier had it in the whole of China that I could find. But now that we see that it's not really an effective fire, like it's not an essential part of the cooking process that will make it tasty. And thank you so much, Mia. And just like the hot plate turning is enough. I'll probably just get that one, so I'll supply for that, and then order another one from China to test it out using city gas, which is our normal gas that we have, and then we'll see how that runs out. Because the process now is like they have a hot plate, they will grill it, and the things get cold quite quickly. and then with this we get to maybe automate a little bit as well, and also like give that hotter food to customers. Even though we have a warmer, it's not really that hot, right? And then over time, the fat would kind of dissolve as it gets in the bain-marie. So we want to serve the customers hot, like pork belly. That's like our main signature. Why it was difficult for us previously was because you can't have someone that's grilling the meat every single order. There's not an efficient way to cook our food. And if I did that, then our company wouldn't really be making a profit because of the extra manpower that it would cost. So for us, we have to find ways to kind of optimize our manpower and also optimize our workflow so that customers can also get it at a saving, get the best quality of food without us compromising the quality, which at this point in time is bain-marie. And then if this works, it will be even better quality for our customers.